Claude Chat, Claude Code, Claude Cowork, same AI, so when do you use what? I got you. The difference comes down to two things. One, how much access Claude has, and two, how much you're involved versus delegating. Chat is what most people start with. It can search the web, it can use connectors like Notion and Gmail and interact with different tools, but you are driving every step. You ask, it responds. And one underrated use case as well is sharing things with teams. It has projects where you can have multiple chats and much more context and be able to share a whole project with a team. Now, Claude Code and Claude Cowork are different because with both of these, you delegate to. You describe what you want, they make a plan and execute, and you can come back to a finished result. Now, the question is, which one? Well, Claude Code is the most powerful of the three. It has full access to your file systems, your terminals, and it could read your code, make changes across files, and you could even schedule recurring tasks if your repo is on GitHub, and those run in the cloud even when your laptop is closed. Plus, you can spin up agent teams, which is multiple Claude Code instances working in parallel on different parts of the same problem. In other words, if the output is code, that is your surface. Now, Claude Cowork is built in the same agent architecture as Claude Code and can access local files you allow it to, but it runs in a sandbox environment instead of your terminal, and it's wrapped in a UI that's built for non-technical users, plus it has built-in guardrails. And you can schedule recurring tasks as well right from the app, except you would have to have the laptop opened. It's great for things like docs and reports and artifacts where you delegate and you come back to finished work. And honestly, there's a lot of overlap. I think the best part about AI is personalization. No one eats an Oreo cookie the same way, so of course play around with it. And there's new features also dropping constantly, so follow here to stay in the know. And as always, happy building.